Cooking herbs.
Cooking herbs.
Any kind of really fresh herb.
Yeah.
But
Parsley.
Parsley.
People would say that the flat leaf parsley has got a...
Parsley, beautifully earthy and intensely fresh. Use both the leaves and the stem for great depth of flavour in savoury dressings, soups and salads.
So we've got flat leaf parsley and curly parsley. Flavour-wise, I think they're very...
Cilantro.
Cilantro.
A little bit of cilantro. The sweet.
Couple of sprigs of cilantro, and
cilantro.
Coriander.
Coriander.
Coriander. For an amazing hint of citrus, often used in Thai dishes, coriander is perfect in curries and chutneys, but it bruises easily, so treat it with care. Tarragon.
Green onion.
Green onion.
Green onions.
Scallion.
Scallion.
A little bit of scallion. Oh, I'm putting a little bit.
Cress.
How to grow cress microgreen.
Watercress.
Watercress.
The most amazing watercress soup. Very simple.
Some scrambled eggs with watercress and garlic. So delicious.
Basil.
Basil.
Yeah, a little bit of basil. Go ahead.
Okay.
Go ahead. A little basil.
Okay.
Basil, as Lorraine said, it comes in many types, all with an amazing sweet pungent flavour.
Bay leaves.
Finally, bay, bittersweet and spicy. It's delicious.
Chives.
Chives.
Okay, and then I take a bunch of chives. This is very...
Chervil.
Chervil.
Finally, chervil. Both mild and sweet, a perfect pairing with fish, an incredible mix simply with melted butter for a quick sauce.
Dill.
Dill.
And we're just going to chop up some of the dill that's on that same tray. All right, you have your dill?
Dilled up.
And then
And kaffir lime leaves. Roll them up.
Lemon leaves.
Lemon leaves.
Oregano.
Oregano.
Oregano, warm and full of delicious aromatic oils. A staple of great Italian dishes and perfect sprinkled on pizzas or in pasta. Oregano, warm and full of delicious aromatic oils. A staple of great Italian dishes and perfect sprinkled on pizzas or in pasta.
Rosemary.
Rosemary.
Rosemary, amazingly robust with great bittersweet green leaves. Is a
And some rosemary in its legs.
Thyme.
Thyme.
Lorraine's favourite, thyme. A heady aromatic pungent herb which adds delicious flavour to a Sunday roast. It's amazing.
Some thyme flowers in there. And this thyme is light, fragrant, and it's just a really nice herb. And with the ricotta, it tastes brilliant.
Lemongrass.
Lemongrass.
Tarragon and parsley, mint and coriander, basil and lemongrass.
All delicious on their own.
Tarragon.
Tarragon.
Tarragon, a staple of French cooking. This has long, soft green leaves and a distinct aniseed flavour, great with chicken or in rich, creamy soup.
Fennel.
Fennel.
A fennel sausage for tart.
Vanilla.
Vanilla.
Fresh vanilla pod. And I think of the way that I use herbs to add flavour to soups and salads.
Vanilla.
Vanilla.
Mint.
Mint.
Tarragon and parsley, mint and coriander, basil and lemongrass.
All delicious on their own.
Sage.
Sage.
Sage, a strong tasting herb with a deliciously bitter flavour, incredible in stuffings and with rich meat.
Savory.
Savory.
Savory, most people are not aware of it. It's almost always known as the bean herb. If you're cooking beans, you should put savory in with it because it helps.
Lavender.
Lavender.
Just like you would cook with rosemary or any other kind of herb, you can cook with lavender. And believe
Marjoram.
Marjoram.
To be on the menu. Now this is marjoram.
Marjoram.
Not to be confused with margarine.
Or
right?
my Aunt Marjorie. Yes.
So this has this really piney,
Marjoram.
Marjoram.